So you're having trouble because Roblox is giving you the error 280. Well, I have the solution for you, so let's dive into this tutorial. Okay, why this error code happened? This is because you are opening an invalid client version. So maybe your Roblox client failed to auto update. So I will show you the two ways to update Roblox on PC and the way to do it on cell phone. So the first option, if you have a Roblox installed on Microsoft Store, you go to the Microsoft Store and you find Roblox, you press it, wait till it appears on screen, and you will see here an update button, or you also can uninstall it again. The other option is go to the browser and find Roblox, and here you have to download Roblox again. You will download the file that is for installation, and you choose the repair or the uninstall option and then install again. And for cell phone the solution is very simple. So if you have Android, you have to go to the Play Store and you have to update your Roblox application. And if you are on Apple, you go to the App Store and do the exact same thing. So if this video helped you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, press the bell in the subscription button, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye people, see you next time.